Hi, this is a quick unboxing video of a credit card holder from Dior. So it arrived in this shipping box. I just opened it today, and so I think this is a box inside it, and this should have the credit card holder. Let me do a close-up. It says Dior. It has a ribbon on it, and on the back side, let's see, this says credit card. It says card holder 3cc do Galax. I think it's Dior multi, and then I think that's how it is. Let me see what else is in there. Okay, so some paper here. Let's put the box here, and then I think this is where the receipt is. Let me see what is in there. So this is Dior. Okay, this is like a code to scan. It has some telephone number or email on the bottom. Let me put it here. Let's see what else is there. And then, okay. Okay, so there's a paper that says a thank you note, I think. Let's put it in the side. Then I have like a return label. Let's put me on the side, and then let's see, I think this, and then we do a close-up. Yeah, it says card holder, size TU, and there's a SKU number here, and then return and exchange policy. Okay, so let's put the receipt on the side. Let me get the box close and open the box. Let's put the ribbon on the side. Let's do a close-up again. Okay. So I think it's wrapped inside this box in this paper again. Let's take this sticker off. Okay, so let me do a close-up here again. Let me take it out. Let's put the box on the floor. This seems like a bag, a cloth bag. It says Dior. Do a close-up. Inside the bag. Okay, so this is how it looks. It says Dior on the front. Then, yeah, there's a monogram there. So this one has 3 slots on each side. One, and then there's a paper here. Let me take it out. Okay, so I think this says Christian Dior. Yeah, so it says card holder 3cc do Galaxy, and then this is Dior multi. Okay, let's put it on the side, and then I think they just put some paper in there just to show as some credit cards. Yeah, so 1, 2, and 3, and then in the middle I think there's a empty pocket. You can put some cash or something. Put it on the side as well. Yeah. Okay, so this is pretty sleek. This is black Dior in color. I think this retails for 470 US dollars. Okay guys, so this was a quick unboxing and short review of credit card holder from Dior. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Once again, thank you for your time.